Hello, it's Addie. I'm going to show you two things that I got today. I know it's a bit dark, but it's evening. I made a purchase from Steve Madden today. These are my first ever Steve Madden shoes, and I'm so excited because this is the first ever designer brand shoes that I've ever had my whole entire life, and I will guard these with my life. So I'm going to open them. I'm going to show you. They're basically just basic fall boots. They're very durable and will last me for a long time. So these are the Steve Madden boots. I'm just going to go back. They're just these very, very pretty boots. They have this little buckle here. And they're brown. And they're very, very basic colors. So I can wear them with anything. And tucked into some jeans tucked in are very, very pretty with this. This is size 8. And it's very gorgeous. I love these shoes. They're completely gorgeous. And can't. And then I got some running shoes, but from New Balance. It's just like that. And got these for I believe 90. So I'm going to show you the New Balance ones. They're just these very pretty shoes. They're gray, and then they have a lot of pink. Just the sole is full of pink laces. I love this. They're very cute. So these are the New Balance shoes that I got today. And